Millside. Today we're talking about the Easy-Brew system. So this system is designed for somebody who's wanting to brew, doesn't want to spend a fortune on one of the microbreweries, is looking for an effective system that they can brew beer in, do whiskey, whatever the case is. So these are essentially stainless steel pots, but we've made modifications to them. So the first thing is the valve. We've added a 316 3/4 inch stainless steel valve. We have made some modifications to the valve. There's a recess which has been machined into the valve which accommodates an O-ring. So once that is pushed against, it forms a tight seal with the body of the pot. Then we have a safety catch on these valves. So unless you're actually lifting that safety catch up, you can't accidentally turn the valve and let any water out. Then we have our own laser cut false bottoms, 304 stainless steel. You'll see our name on there, Millside. So these false bottoms go into the bottom of the pot. Now the reason for that is you don't want scorching, you don't want your bag sitting on the bottom if you've got a heat source. It also allows you to drain out. So once your brew bag is in, let's just talk about the brew bag quickly. So the brew bag is circular. Again, each brew bag is made up specifically for each pot. We are using local manufacture. It's extremely well stitched. We're trying to stick with that theme of making as much here locally as we can, supporting local businesses. So once that that bag goes in, like that, obviously now it's not sitting at the bottom. You can use your heat source. In this case, there's an induction stove top there. And you can obviously drain out water during that process, pour it back in, get better efficiency. When you're finished, drain off, and you can do a proper sparge now. You don't have to sit there and try and lift this bag up. Just leave it in there, do your sparge. If you're brewing a beer, obviously you could drain off to a separate container then, do your sparge, pour it back in, do your boil. We have smaller bags as well where you can put your hops into, toss that in, do your boil. Then when you're finished, again, simple and easy, drain out into your fermenter and you're done. So on the website, you'll see all the selection of pots, 20, 30, 50 liter. You can choose there what you're looking for. They come complete with a false bottom, obviously whatever size you're looking at. Comes with the bag as well. Obviously the valve, it's comprehensive, it's ready to go. They're extremely well priced. And it's really well suited for somebody who doesn't want to spend fortunes on a brewing system. So we hope that encourages you to brew some more. We look forward to your support, and we'll see you again on another video.